Hello and welcome to this tutorial. To help search engines like Google crawl and index your website more efficiently, it's beneficial to manage how they interact with certain elements of your site, such as duplicate URLs or links within images and titles. Using the NoFollow attribute on these links can be advantageous for several reasons. You can prevent duplicate content issues, optimize your crawl budget, control link juice distribution, reduces the risk of penalty for link schemes. I'm going to show you how you can see if a link is NoFollow. You first search for the Chrome extension. Add. So we have it now here. Now we can see which link is NoFollow or follow. So let's visit my web shop. You can see this one is NoFollow. You have the pictures NoFollow because if you have a product, you have the link here, you have the link into the picture, so you have double links. So it's better to make one NoFollow. This is optimized, so you can optimize your crawl budget like this. And here is the same. We have 3 links, so 2 I made them NoFollow. And the footer links, because on every page you have the footer links, I make them NoFollow, also the social media and everything. So this is the way you can see when a link is follow or NoFollow. Next, I'm going to show you how you can use my Google robot to make NoFollow links. You can do this yourself or you can use the robot. So let's see. You can open my the robot that I make for you. I will leave this in the description. Let's say you want to make a link NoFollow. You can give this command. You can put your own link right here. Hit. It will give you this code. You can place it in the HTML. Then you have this NoFollow. You can add it yourself, but you can use this robot also to make your NoFollow link. I will put everything in the description so you can use it, and have a nice day.